All right. Now here we are with the cylinder. It's been sitting just as long as everything else. And really this is maybe one of the most labor-intensive parts in the cleaning process to the whole firearm itself. You know, this is what holds your rounds in it. This is what this is where the rounds discharge from. This is where you're going to take the rounds out of the cylinder. So on the front and back of the cylinder, it's going to build up pretty good. It's going to be, kind of brazed in there, that powder brazed in there pretty good. Now what I like to use is a little 22 scrub brush. And as you can see here, I just have a little bit of I have a little push handle. And I'm going to use this. And I got break free inside these holes, and I'm just going to use this scrub brush. And I'm going to kind of push in and out of every one of these. And I'm just going to kind of get a light scrub. And if you feel like it, feel free to use a little bit extra break free. I mean, like we were saying, it's not bad. And in fact, I think I'm going to give this one extra squirt into each one of these just to give a little bit of added security that I'm breaking some of this stuff down. And so I'm just going to go in here and all right, so we got a little bit of a scrub there with the break free. It's in there, and I'm going to come back to it, and I'm just going to do each one of these individual. Get in there. And you can see here, it's a 6-shot. And I know I've cleaned one, and I just kind of keep a mental count of where I'm at with it. I know I'm in hole number 2, and I kind of come back and forth. I'm hole 3 now, and we're just going to work our way around in the same fashion as we did in the beginning. We're just going to repeat the steps for all 6 of these chambers here. All right. Now that I have all 6 of these chambers clean, or scrubbed, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my bore light, and I'm just going to kind of look inside these cylinders and see if I can't see, possibly some type of imperfection. Maybe some caught black powder, or, maybe some pitting. And so that's what we're going to do next. We're going to grab this bore light, and we're going to look inside here, and we're going to make sure that we're getting everything out that we want to get out.